Hey everybody, Jeremy here with a daily marketing hack. Just wanted to go through a really awesome way of getting your first couple of customers. I know a lot of you are really early stage, a lot of you that watch my videos and maybe you've started, maybe you have an MVP, maybe you're still working on your MVP, maybe you're just looking for customer feedback for an idea. Regardless, this is the strategy for you. So I just wanted to go through this real quick and kind of show you. So, I'm going to use myself as an example in this, right? I am a freelance marketer. I'm a marketer available for hire, and so I'm just going to go through and I primarily do a lot of paid social, paid digital stuff, right? And so I want to connect with people looking for help with paid digital. So, I'm going to go onto Meetup. I know most of you know Meetup. If you don't, you should, right? And I'm just going to go to all Meetups, and I have a little bit of personal experience with this. I should back up. I'm one of the co-organizers of a pretty large startup meetup in Denver, and so I have some experience with kind of running, some of these things and, kind of how they work. But I go to Meetup, right? And I'm just going to go to, I'm going to type in Facebook would be a much better name than Facebook, but Facebook marketing, right? And I'm just going to go and I'm going to see what groups we've got. So this is perfect, right? Facebook Advanced Internet Marketing. I'm just going to click on this. And I'm going to show you exactly how it is that you can get some quick validation on what you're doing, right? And you can, get in front of some people that would be your customers. So see, organized by Tom D. Members. Got all these members. Very cool. So I'm just going to message this. This is literally what I'm going to do. Hey, Tom. My name is Jeremy, and I'm a freelance marketer focused on Facebook ads. Wanted to see if you'd be open to me buying the group either coffee and donuts or some beer in exchange for giving a quick chat at the beginning of your next meetup. Focus on Facebook ads. Yeah, I'm actually going to go back and, tout my credentials a little bit more. I've launched 2 best-selling books. Worked with celebrity influencers on Facebook and Instagram and helped take a song to #1 global viral on Spotify, which is all true. Don't lie in this, right? And so let me know. Cheers, Jeremy. Right? So it's really that simple, right? A lot of these meetups are pretty bootstrapped. And, they get their money either from donations or, maybe they charge a little bit of tickets price, right? A lot of the times it comes out of, sponsorships, or if they're not big enough for that, just out of the organizer's pocket. So something like this is like really appreciated. It's treating a little bit of value in order to get in front of people. And, realistically, you'll maybe spend $100, maybe 200, something like that on just getting in front of exactly who you want to talk to. And so this is this is not really a hack, I guess, but it's just really good way of exploiting an existing sort of system to get what you want for a very low cost. It doesn't have to be fancy. Just get up there and show, a quick product video, a demo, give a pitch, right? Don't pitch sales, right? Just talk about, do a 5-10 minute spiel on, the problem that you're solving or stuff like that, right? Just establish yourself as an expert. So, if I was to go into this and, Tom, if he was to get back to me and say, oh yeah, we'd love to have you, I wouldn't go in and say I'm Jeremy, I'm the greatest, hire me to run all your ads right now because I'm awesome. When I would go in and I'd say, hey, my name's Jeremy. I'm a Facebook marketer. I just wanted to give a quick 10-minute presentation on the 5 things that I see people do wrong with Facebook ads the most, or that cost them a lot of money, right? And I just go through that, and just from experience being on that stage talking with authority, you get a lot of people that come up to you and want to work with you or want to learn more. So like I said, if you're trying to find validation, if you're trying to find work, if you're trying to find those early stage customers, you need to have a conversation. Go to Meetup, find a Meetup that's in your space, and just offer this. So thank you, everybody, for watching, and happy